Hello, welcome to our design solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to do this simple exercise on a sheet metal. As you are seeing now in CATIA software, let us start with the sheet metal design. First of all, we need to draw the one rectangle with a height 50 mm and width is a 20 mm. Let us go to the CATIA and then here we need to open the generated sheet metal design. Click OK. First of all we need to give the sheet dimensions like thickness and bending radius. Here they mentioned, if you observe, they mentioned 0.5 means it has a thickness is 0.5 and bending radius also 0.5. Click OK. Now we are going to draw the one rectangle. Then try to select this sketch. Then try to draw. Again here we need to give the dimensions. Height is 50 mm and then width is 20 mm. Then try to exit from workbench. Click OK. We need to draw this edge. For that one, select the wall edge command and then try to select the bottom line, reverse direction, but up to 50 or 20 mm. Perfect. 20 mm is perfect. Click OK. Select this command and then try to design a sketch on the plane. Sketch it. Now we are going to draw this hole. For that one we need to select the right angle, then try to select the center point, then try to draw. The distance between this corner line, this line should be 3 mm because they mentioned, and then width is 5 mm. Then here to here they mentioned 6.87. Click OK. Let's see. You can observe here 6.87 and then this is the 9 mm and then try to, it should be 9 mm. Now try to exit from workbench. Select the cutout command and then try to click on preview. Click OK. Again select this command. Perfect. Now we need to draw the holes. Again select the sketch, then try to draw the it should be 2.5. delete. Radius they mentioned how much the radius, the diameter is 5 means it should be 2.5. Yes, perfect. It should be 10 mm. Now we need to draw the holes. Again try to select the holes. distance between these two center lines should be 8 mm. Make it that center. Or yes, again we need to draw the make it sure should be 8. Make it 8. Yes, and then try to make it here also 8. Yeah, again try to draw another circle with 8 mm if possible, otherwise we will leave the last hole. Yeah, perfect. 8. Now try to give the diameter. The diameter should be 3 mm. And then this is also 3 mm. And then this is also 3 mm. And then try to select these 3 circles, make it mirror with this line. Yes, perfect. And then this circle should be 3 mm. Yeah, now try to exit from workbench, cutout, select the cutout command and preview, click OK. Perfect. Yeah, again we need to draw this bend. For that one, first of all we need to make it one slot, sketch it, then try to make it that this line and this line should be coincident. Yeah, make it this is 1 mm is enough, and this should be 10 mm. Yeah, then try to exit from workbench, again select the cutout command, preview, click OK. Again select the wall edge command, but in reverse direction. It should be 15. Preview, 15 is more, try to make it 10. Preview, click OK. Again, now try to select this plane and then try to sketch it. Here we need to draw the one circle with dia of 5 mm. Yeah, perfect. Let's see. Yes, 5 mm only. And distance between this and this line should be 5 mm. Yeah, now try to make it project 3D element, this line and this line. Now try to trim the unnecessary lines like this one. Yeah, for this one also. Perfect. Then try to exit from workbench. Let's see. Cutout command. Preview. It means some mistakes will be in sketch it again. Try to delete these lines. Yeah, again try to select the cutout command. Preview, click OK, but we need to make it some modifications in tree. Try to go to the valve edge, and here we made that 10 mm, make it 15. Yeah, click OK. Preview, click OK. Yeah, select this sketch. Now try to draw the circle here. Make it that this one and this one should be in contact, means then again make it. Make it that this one and this one should be in. Yes, and here we need to make that dia should be 10 mm. Perfect. Here we need to make it that project 3D element. Here also. Now we need to trim the unnecessary lines like downside. Let's see, it will. Yes. Now try to go to the sheet metal workbench, cutout, select this cutout command, preview. Yes, perfect. Click OK. Yeah, perfect. A simple design of is over. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.